Join me as I take on the challenge of flying the new DJI Mini 4 Pro with a screen remote controller in the most extreme locations I can find. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is a game changer in the drone market, and I'm excited to share with you what makes it so special, especially when paired with its screen remote controller. In this video, we'll be exploring the features and capabilities of this bundle, and I'll show you why it's a must-have for any drone enthusiast. As drone enthusiasts, we've all been there, stuck with flight limitations, struggling with controller usability, and dealing with poor image quality. These challenges can be frustrating, to say the least. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, you probably encountered these issues at some point. But what if I told you there's a solution that can tackle all these problems and more? We've all experienced the disappointment of our drones not being able to fly in certain conditions, whether it's due to wind, rain, or even GPS issues. And let's not forget about the hassle of trying to navigate through dense forests or tall buildings with poor visibility. It's a nightmare, right? And what about the controller itself? Have you ever struggled to see what's going on in your screen, or had to deal with latency issues that make your drone hard to control? But what if you could have a drone that's specifically designed to overcome these challenges? A drone that's not only portable and easy to use but also packs a punch when it comes to features and image quality. That's exactly what the DJI Mini 4 Pro and its screen remote controller promise to deliver. So, what makes this bundle so special? For starters, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is incredibly lightweight and compact, making it easy to take with you on any adventure. And with its advanced 4K camera, you can capture stunning aerial footage with ease. But what really sets it apart is its screen remote controller, which provides a seamless flying experience with real-time video transmission and intuitive controls. The combination of the DJI Mini 4 Pro and its screen remote controller is a match made in heaven. You get a drone that's both powerful and portable, paired with a controller that's easy to use and provides an immersive flying experience. And the best part? It's perfect for both beginners and experienced users alike. Let me show you what I mean. Check out this stunning aerial footage I captured with the DJI Mini 4 Pro in some of the most extreme locations I could find. As you can see, the image quality is incredible, and the seamless experience provided by the screen remote controller makes it easy to capture these shots. The DJI Mini 4 Pro and its screen remote controller are truly a dream team when it comes to aerial photography and videography. Whether you're flying in windy conditions, navigating through tight spaces, or simply capturing breathtaking landscapes, this bundle has got you covered. From its advanced 4K camera to its intuitive screen remote controller, the DJI Mini 4 Pro bundle is packed with features that make it an excellent choice for any drone enthusiast. Whether you're a beginner looking to upgrade your drone game or an experienced user seeking a reliable and powerful drone, this bundle is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on the DJI Mini 4 Pro and its screen remote controller in the comments below. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more drone content, and I'll catch you in the next video.